What? Where?
Guy with the dog.
Oh, I didn't even see him. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Taking a little family drive today. We got Stephanie and Giant Baby in the car. So we'll see how this goes. I really want Stephanie to try the beta, but you just don't want to, right?
No, you didn't tell me that.
Well, but you wouldn't have.
No.
Yeah, okay, that's what I thought. I just know people want that. And you can see both the person and the dog are displayed on there. So we're just going for a drive. It's about an hour. Do we go on the highway or no?
Yeah.
Okay, so a little bit of highway, but mostly off highway. And we're just gonna see if the car can get us to our destination with, you know, minimal interventions and all that kind of good stuff. So,
a lot of back roads.
Yeah, lots of back roads and all that kind of stuff. And what was I gonna say? Oh, we had an update. So now the big visualization is back, which is awesome. But it's just version 10.1. So the autopilot team told us that this is the only difference between like version 10 and 10.1 is they put this back because we asked for it and there it is. So that's very cool. We shouldn't see much different. Version 10's been kind of hit or miss for me, so we'll see as we go. But I think that's it. Anything you want to add?
One thing I've noticed is that I'm feeling rather toasty in the car, which is always a concern of mine because the heat is not the greatest.
It's high. I always keep it super low, so I turned it up for you.
Thanks. Well, I'm feeling really, really great.
Oh, good.
And warm on this cold 16-degree day.
The Tesla effect. Well, I'm controlling the car. All right. What the heck? So this version definitely likes to stay a little too much to the right. And as you can see, there's like a huge ditch there, so we don't like that. So yeah, I've had to take over a little more on the dirt roads than I used to never pretty much ever have to do anything on the dirt roads. But now that on unmarked roads, it moves too much to the right, so I've been taking over a lot more. Yeah, I wouldn't take a drink right now. You gonna let it take this left turn?
No. Can't even see.
It's checking for visibility. My foot's on the brake, no worries. No cars. Oh yeah, it's good to go. If there's no cars, we're good.
Yeah, that's a scary intersection.
Yeah,
those
those are difficult. Yeah, people are going super fast.
I mean, if it can
60.
see better than a person, like see through the trees and see if there are cars coming, then that's great.
Well, unfortunately, that's kind of the argument is that it can't.
Yeah,
so people don't like that. After this blinking yellow, you should be good to drink.
Thanks for the warning.
Yeah, so see how it says stopping for traffic control? This is not appropriate.
Yeah, no, not appropriate.
I was getting a lot of comments, it's okay to slow through a blinking yellow. Yeah, that's not what it's doing. It's not being cautious. It's stopping because it's getting it wrong. Alright, so right turn here. This one's been a little tricky for it. You can see how the dots here are gray. That means it's not going to go. Now that it's blue, it means it's ready to go. No cars there. I assume the car could see, you know, down there. It's pretty clear and open, but a lot better than last time I was at that intersection. It really did not do very well at all. I had to hit the accelerator through there and everything. So a lot of this that I've done before is seeming better. Okay, go on. Okay, that was not good. It saw that, so that was a concern of mine last time, and it actually did it correct last time. There was a stop sign over there. This time it saw it and tried to stop for it, whereas last time it didn't do that. So it's like, yeah, why would that do that now and not last time?
Glad it didn't like completely just slam on the brakes and do a stop. It was like, oh, never mind. I don't want to drive with this beta because it's embarrassing a little bit.
Yeah.
People around you are like, what is this guy doing?
So again, stopping for traffic control, hitting the accelerator. So that's definitely worse than I used to not have any problems. I think with the single blinking yellows, it seems to get a lot more confused than when it's like the full light and it's blinking yellow. Those seem to work really well. All right, do you want to take this one?
Take it how?
Yeah, like tell us what you think
All right,
about
guys,
this turn.
we're coming up to a four-way stop, and the Tesla is just nicely, gently stopping in between the lines.
And not going. Okay, so I had to hit the accelerator.
Oh, it didn't go.
No, what the heck? What? This is terrible. So I had to hit the accelerator like that whole time.
Okay, it is a little confusing though, because there's two lines there. One by the stop sign and like one further, I can't remember, but there's one, like there are two different ones because there's a railroad track. And it looks like one they're trying to get rid of, but you can't tell.
Right.
Because it used to be you were supposed to stop at the first white line.
A train? Yes. Let's run into it.
Let's see if it picks it up and what it does.
Hurry, hurry.
What?
It's getting ready to run into the train. So it is displaying stuff there. Kind of looks like trucks. It's pretty interesting. Oh, and it's seeing that the crossing guard flashing reds.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah. So unfortunately, we're not going to directly interact with it because there's cars to stop us here, but we can see that it's, you know, displaying it as something.
Everything looks like a boxcar.
Well, no, I know, but but it looks like a big truck, basically, right? Everything is boxes for now, the cars and people and everything. But it's just nice that it's displaying it.
Why is this going from yellow to red?
I think it's seeing that red blinking, and it's just getting it wrong.
Okay. Well, that's nice.
What?
It's going faster.
Oh, yeah, it's really good at seeing the speed limit signs and then speeding up.
I like that. It's so annoying when people don't see them. And you're like, it's not 35 anymore. But what about here, when it ends the speed zone?
Yeah, that it doesn't do.
Oh, come on.
Unfortunately.
Another blinking yellow.
Yep, and there. See, it's doing a better job at this one. It did slow a tiny bit, but when there's 3 lights, I don't know. It's like it can tell what's going on or something.
The baby with that name.
Yeah. Whoa!
I thought we were past all that.
What? Yeah,
That
getting
was like,
over.
that was like the beginning of not this beta, but you know, like just the autopilot
I
or
know.
whatever. in
No,
general.
it still does that, and it kills me.
It's hard since it's using those
No,
lines.
it's not hard.
Oh.
There's a line right here. Just stay with that one. Like, if a line disappears, you don't go searching for it. I mean, I don't know how to code anything or write a car that drives itself, but in my opinion,
Why did it just slow down?
I don't know. We'll report it. Okay, getting to the highway, right turn signal is on. Tiny bit slow, especially, I mean, it's fine. It's doing a good job, but we have someone behind us, and I know that they're going to be impatient. It's just the people around here are very impatient. People have been going so fast on the highway, it's ridiculous. So,
Back there quite a ways.
yeah, that's good. Merging onto the highway, you'll see the visualization will change from the beta to the public build, what the normal build has, and that'll probably be more similar to what the beta looks like when it goes out to everyone, unless they like revamp it and give us new animations and stuff.
Sorry.
So, well, you're good.
Just like,
That was good. That was good. I thought that was fine. So we're speeding up, changing lanes to get on, max speed, looks great, and there we go.
to see what it would do here.
What do you mean?
Like if it was gonna try to pass this truck or not, because we're getting off soon.
Oh, no, yeah, when you're within about a mile or so, it won't pass slower stuff.
That's good.
Yeah, it's good. Yeah, it had actually, when it changed lanes into this lane, it said changing lanes to follow route.
Okay.
So then we'll exit here, So really good highway drive. I did literally nothing but watch the car, and it did everything. So these highway drives have a lot less interventions per mile.
I feel like the best place to test drive this stuff is on a Michigan road where the lines, I mean, these lines are pretty good because they just redid this, but the roads are just so terribly marked. It's not like Florida, you know, where they have like little light sensors all over them, and like, our roads are totally beat up.
Yeah.
Okay.
What, too slow?
Yeah.
We're going 30 miles an hour, that's fine. It's like my first time, like your first time ever driving here, that's what it's like.
Yep. It is a sharp curve.
Yeah?
I'm sure like if a
I thought that was
grandma was
great.
in the car, they would really appreciate the nice slowness, but yeah, I usually just go right around it.
Well, you don't have to turn on red lights, so like that guy's flying away. I'll just wait, you know? Okay, now it's green, and the car immediately begins to go when we get our green arrow, so that's awesome.
Which lane will you choose?
Yeah, did a great job there, right?
Yeah, and there were markings to indicate which lane you should go into.
Yep. There you go. So it's changing lanes now.
You did?
Yeah.
I thought that was just you.
No, I just muted it. I didn't do that.
Oh.
I'm not doing anything. I'm trying not to do anything.
Because did it hear me?
No, I think it actually got over because they're slow.
Oh.
So it's passing now.
So I was like, let's get over, and then it did, like
Yeah.
immediately.
But you're saying because we have a right turn coming up, why don't you just hang out here?
Yeah, since the lane was clear and there were cars starting to come up behind, like.
Right, now here's another one. Hopefully they'll get over quickly because other people are going to get over.
Yeah.
We had a right turn coming. All right,
Yeah,
I'm telling it to get over. I think it was going to also, but
It's gonna
still.
take its sweet time.
Yep, all right, there we go. No, that was sweet. That was a really nice move over. A little too hard of braking. What is happening here? Oh my gosh, they just rebuilt that whole gas station, huh?
Yeah.
We will never go there. What is that? I don't want to hit that.
It was just trash.
Well, I don't want to run it over. What if there's a nail in it?
Why are we?
I don't know. Let's see what it does. See? It fixed it.
It's like accelerating into a curb.
Yeah, that wasn't very good, but all right, we'll report that too. But it did get over, so it kind of figured out, oh, that's stupid. I shouldn't be doing that.
I enjoyed it.
Okay, so we have a right turn signal. That is very wrong. Changing lanes into like a passing lane thing. And then it did that weird thing back there where it kind of got into the right turn lane, but we're listening to some baby music, so I'm not pausing it that much. Why? What is it doing? It wants to turn right. It's like trying to get in the right turn lane for some reason, but we're going straight. And the map obviously says we're going straight, and we don't do anything but turn left in 2 miles, so that's really messed up. Okay, so I'm glad we have a car in front of us because this dirt is usually really beat up, and I might even... Yeah. Yep, so there's some huge potholes there that the system just isn't ready for. I don't know how it's going to be ready for that. It's going to have to slow down when it knows it's changing to dirt or something and look at those. So I may do a lot of this myself, to be honest, just because it'll be faster and not so bumpy and off to the right. And then the other thing is, it wants us to go straight, which you can go that way, but that road is like really beat up. So I'm just going to take over here and put us on this road, which actually can make it a little more complex, some turns and stuff. I'm going to need to wait till it reroutes, and then I will turn it back on. Okay, so coming up to, it's a crosswalk that's usually pretty popular, but nobody was in it that time. I think it displayed it for sure, and I think it had a message about it. And then this right turn, waiting for our turn, which is kind of weird. And it creeps out. I don't think it was actually creeping. I think it just was going and then it saw a car and then now it continues. So that was not really the best. I don't know why it wouldn't creep there. Okay, so we had crying baby in the car, so we're doing the outro later. So why don't you give your opinion on the drive and how it did and everything?
Dirt roads was horrifying. Other than the dirt roads and yellow flashing lights, it was pretty good. I mean, it did a really good job of like waiting for traffic to clear. Like I didn't ever feel like, oh my gosh, it's pulling out of this car in front of this car or
that's good.
Anything like that. So yeah,
okay, pretty good. That's very good news. Yeah.
I give it a B-.
Whoa, that's really generous.
Dirt roads F.
I totally agree. Like dirt roads used to be perfect, and now it goes way too far to the right. So I'm assuming they'll fix that soon. But okay, so hope you enjoyed this one. A little different than normal, just kind of a nice fun drive. So we will.
I take that back. Dirt roads like D, because they did drive on the dirt roads.
It didn't fail. It didn't crash.
It turned and it stayed on the road for the most part. It was just living on the edge. That's all.
All right. I hope you enjoyed this one. You will see us in the next video, and I will talk to you down in the comments.